John, one of Jesus' close followers, was near the end of his life on an island. And on that island, God's given him visions and dreams of what was going to come. And he frequently encouraged him to write everything down. Well, he wrote it down. And at some point, this is what he wrote. I saw a big mountain, and in that mountain is a cave. And everybody was running for that cave and trying to cram into it. The rich people, the poor people, the free people, the slaves, the bosses, the workers, everybody was trying to cram into that cave. And they were crying out, "The wrath of God is coming, the wrath of the Lamb is coming, and we cannot face it. Cover us, mountain, fall on us. We cannot face the wrath that's coming." And then I saw a big white throne and someone on the throne. And I saw the earth was just vanishing and the sky was gone. And then the people that were dead were starting to rise up from the graves. And even the sea gave up those that drowned. And they were all standing there. And there was a book. And the book was opened. And everybody whose name was written in that book could stay. But if your name was not written in that book, people were thrown into a fiery lake of fire. It's known as the second death. Eventually, death itself was thrown into that lake of fire. And then I saw a new heaven that was created, and a new earth, and it was beautiful. And from heaven was coming the city of Jerusalem, a new Jerusalem. And it was radiant and beautiful, like a bride that's coming to meet the bridegroom. And a voice cried out from the sky, and it says, "Look, pay attention. God is living among his people. He made his home among them. And God will wipe the tear from every eye. And death will be there no more. And nothing that can harm anybody will be there at all." Again, the voice cried out and said, "Look, I've made everything new." And then it commanded John and say, "Write it down, because it is true, it is trustworthy, and it will all come true."